What you're looking at right here is a ribbon that consists of 12 of these single fibers, and the color code for this is blue, orange, green, brown, slate, white, red, black, yellow, violet, rose, and aqua. That makes up 12 fibers, and we have 12 of them in a ribbon holder. And then I have a single one over here, if I can pick it up. You can see right on the tip of that color, which is, this is the rose, is the bare fiber. Now within that fiber is a core. That's where your light travels for all your data, video, and phone. It's about the size of your hair on your head. Here's another look of the 12, if I can get a good view. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to place it in a splicing machine. And the splicing machine will pull the fibers up on the screen, and it's basically like a magnifying glass or a microscope. And you can actually see the fibers, you can see the core, and then it'll pull it in the middle here and it'll splice it. I'll show you that in just a minute with the ribbon splicer. Okay, we've set both ribbons in the holders and we've placed them in the grooves. They're lined up by the machine. Now we'll shut the lid. As soon as we shut the lid, the machine will start to pull the fibers in. It will analyze them. If they're straight and everything looks good, it will automatically arc. There's an arc. I don't know if you could see it, but right there, the dark line, that's a fiber. If you see the white line in the dark, that's your core. I'll try to get a better angle of that. There you go. Within those black lines, there's a white line. The white line is your core. That's what I was talking about earlier, that your laser from the central office runs down and gives you your video, data, and your phone. And those are really good results right there. Now we'll pull it out and put it into the heater. But just to show you what it looks like, we'll open it up here. This is definitely something you don't do, but for all purposes of this, I'm going to pull it out so you can see the ribbon. Okay, we've pulled the ribbon out of the machine. Normally what we do at this point, we would open up the holders and put a heat shrink type sleeve over, and then we'd shrink it down to hold the ribbon or the fibers together. If you can see, right when the light hits, you'll see a line in the middle. See if I can get it right there. Right there. That is where it was arced or burned together. And now you have a perfect ribbon splice. Okay, now what we have is we have a single fiber, and we're going to put that in the machine and we're going to splice that next. Single fiber in the machine, and we'll close the lid, let the machine pull the two pieces together, and let's see if it burns. Okay, here's the two fibers. There's your black, which is the fiber. The white is your core. If everything is good, the machine will arc. There you go. We'll see what the finished product looks like. Okay, looks good. Now we'll open up the hood and take a look at the fiber. Okay, looks good. The fiber's complete. Now we'll take it out and take a look at it on the table. At this point, we put a shrink on it and shrink it down just like we did the ribbon. But for this, I'm going to pull it out so you can see it. This is the single fiber. You can see the little white reflection of the light running along the fiber right there. It's really hard to get it focused. It's about as focused as I'm going to get it. But that's your single fiber and your ribbon splicing.